Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got another episode or edition of What's Inside. Today I'm going to show you what's inside a Chevrolet instrument panel. We'll start by removing the back. Got these little clips here and here. And a couple on the bottom. And exposes the circuit board, and we'll flip it over and remove the front cover. Alright, now we can remove the pointers, and they just pull off. It's real easy to get them off when you're using your Matco trim tool. Now we'll remove our front and get down to the guts of it. And here we are. Here's your light bulbs for the backlight, and each one of your little pointer motors, and the main two displays. And that's it. That's what's inside a Chevrolet instrument panel. That's all I got for you on this one, guys. Thanks.